What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to my new car. Yeah, so I'm pretty excited about it. I picked it up from a buddy of mine, posted it for sale, and of course I had to jump on it. Did a couple trades and stuff like that and ended up working out, so I ended up picking it up. But definitely comment down below what kind of swap you think is going in it. I'll give you a little hint. It's going to have a TH400 and it's going to be turbo, so I bet you guys already know what's going to happen. So I'm going to reveal what motor is going to be in it in the next video, and we'll kind of just go from there. This could be a short little video, but I just wanted to tell you guys I'm really excited for it, and it's been a while since I've been able to build something for my own. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it's going to be a short little video, but I'm so excited for it. Been working really hard, and yeah, so definitely a new build series on that, and we'll catch you on the other videos. See you guys.